Hey friends, we're out here in the adventure van today because we're testing out a new product. This is a portable power station that literally fits in the palm of my hand. It's lightweight, but it's actually packed with quite a few features. And so on today's video, we're going to see if this could actually give us the necessary power to operate things here in our van. Let's check it out. Now this is the Gensrock power station. So let's really quickly take a look at some of the features that it has here. Like I mentioned, it's very small. It's got this little handle, lightweight, especially compared to the larger power stations we use for multiple day trips. And this is where this thing is going to shine, is just on small little applications, recharging devices, maybe powering some lights or some other camping gear with your DC section right here for a single night of adventure. We have an AC output section over here. You can see we have a 3-prong and then a 2-prong plug. And when I hit the little AC button right here, we get a little power meter that shows up, and then these are going to be active. We also have this DC section, and this section includes a Type-C, a quick charge 3.0 USB, and then a 2.4 amp USB, as well as the DC outputs up here. Now on larger power stations, this is going to be a much larger opening for the traditional DC ports. So if you have adapters, you may need those for little things like lights or other DC appliances that require that type of power source. Over here, we've got a light that we can actually use, and this is illuminated using this button right here. There's 3 different settings, bright, and then flashing here. Once you're finished using a section of power, you can just hit that specific input again, and the power station will turn off. Also has a built-in fan here, as well as the DC input. That's how you recharge things using the DC port here, and this is going to plug into your port on most of your car outlets. And then we also have the wall adapter here, and that's a wall plug option if you want to recharge it inside the house. Now again, as far as capacity goes, as you can see, this only has 83 watt hours. So again, it's not a ton of power, but for most little camping trips and maybe a day out in the van, this is actually going to work just fine. Now, typically what we're going to use this kind of power station for is during the day when we have electronics that need power or recharging. So let's say we have some kids that are using the switch here and we want to make sure that device stays nice and charged. Well, what we can do is grab the end of our USB charger here. I'm going to turn on the DC port section, and then we can just use one of these quick chargers and just pop that in like that. The Nintendo Switch then goes into charging mode, so you have some great power. The other thing that I use a lot is my laptop on trips. I'll typically sit in a coffee shop, but having this along gives me the ability to have power out on a beach or even in the forest somewhere. So what we'll do for this is we'll turn on that AC section over here, and then I'm just going to take my little wall adapter and we can stick it right into that port, and that's going to immediately send power to my laptop and keep it nice and charged so I can continue to do work even during our adventures. Okay, so the power station is great for charging devices, but we have a lot of different options for doing that. The real test now is to see if this can actually power up the van. In fact, what we're going to do is we're going to plug this into our light system. You can see our little string lights that we hang up here on the ceiling. I'm actually going to plug this into our area up here. This is typically where we keep our larger power stations for multiple day trips. Okay, so I've got the Gensrock sitting up here. You can see our little power cable for the light system, and I'm just going to go ahead and plug it over here. And as you can see, immediately the lights turn on. We've got great power there. And so again, this is really great for using our light system, no problem. Now the other part of our system is actually run off of DC, and that's gonna power the fan up here, as well as our sink pump down here. But this is where we run into some problems. We actually use this typically as our DC power adapter. Normally on the larger power stations, you'd have an input where this could go directly in. So in order to use this as our power source, we actually would have to get an adapter and be able to go in to these ports up here. So to answer that big question, could it power the van? I absolutely think it could. Now, would we get a lot of power? Probably not. This is going to give us potentially a couple hours in the evening for one night, and then we would have to figure out a recharge method to get this back up to be able to power for the next night. But man, what a decent solution for a quick overnight trip to have in the van or at a campsite is where I think this is really going to shine. It's really lightweight compared to some of the other models that we've tested out there. And having this, even in a backpack, is really not going to add a ton of extra burden. And again, it really just doesn't take up a lot of space at all. You could stick it in the corner of a tent and really add some extra power to your camping experience.